Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
1.75 locks to 3 locks approximately, depending on what material you use and also the size of your pool. Generally, it is advisable to pay a professional to tackle the project, while some manufacturers insist that an experienced homeowner could feasibly build the pool on their own.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
A DIY pool is sometimes known as a pool kit. Instead of having to be built or installed in your backyard by professional pool builders, it comes as a complete package. This usually comprises the pool shell, pump and filter. DIY pools are usually above-ground pools which require very little installation work.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
How much value does a pool add to a home? The experts are split on how much a pool can contribute to a home's value. One HouseLogic study suggests an increase of 7%, at most, under ideal conditions, while HGTV reports that the average in-ground pool can up your property's value by 5 to 8%.
Take our lead.
If you buy one from a professional pool company, an in-ground swimming pool will easily cost you about $10,000 or more. You can build your own, and one that looks just like it was professionally designed, for less than $3,000.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.